Have you ever wondered what this number on the weather app of your mobile phone means? Take this for example. This app shows the weather at the current time and mentions the relative humidity as 41%. So what does this number actually means? So here we are. You might have noticed that this number is same, whereas the humidity you feel around is not quite the same. Interestingly, this 41% in summer is different from 41% in winter. So is this number absurd? Well, no. To understand this, we need to dive into the concept of humidity. Humidity is a concept which represents the amount of water vapor in the air. Well, that sounds a bit confusing. In a particular weather or a humid weather, you might have noticed something that is called condensation. The water vapors in the air gets condensed on the cold surfaces of the body. This happens only in the case of high humidity. There are two types of humidity, relative humidity and absolute humidity. The absolute humidity is defined as the grams of water dissolved in the air divided by the total mass of the air in which the water has been dissolved. But in relation to the weather applications, this is not a very useful quantity. A more interesting quantity is called the relative humidity. Relative humidity is the ratio of amount of water vapor present in the air to the maximum amount which the air can hold at a particular temperature. Now that makes a percentage. Now you can easily guess the difference of 41% in winter versus the 41% in summer. That is because the difference of temperatures. At higher temperature, air has a higher capacity to hold water. So a higher percentage means the air has become saturated for the particular condition of temperature and pressure. That is why the 41% of summer is totally different from 41% of winter. But did you know this percentage has a great impact on cooling effect of evaporation? To know this, make sure to subscribe this channel.